There's something massive out there deep in the universe, some unknown force pulling on everything and accelerating all galaxies towards the unknown, including our own Milky Way. But that's not all astronomers who may have just found something bigger and more mysterious. What is this unknown force, and will it destroy everything in the universe? What is this unknown force eating galaxies? Astronomers are great at exploring the universe and its celestial bodies with our current super technologies. We can look further into the abyss of the universe, from planets, stars, asteroids, galaxies, and the observable universe. But this time, we have to look at something unusual outside the Milky Way galaxy, which is full of gas, dust, and stars that darken the view from Earth. There's something called the zone of avoidance that astronomers just discovered recently. In that zone sits deeply something called the Great Attractor. With the development of X-rays and radio, astronomers possess the ability to gaze into this mysterious zone. What is the Great Attractor doing to our neighboring galaxies? Our Milky Way galaxy and the neighboring galaxy, Andromeda, are moving toward the center of the local galaxies in the Virgo cluster. Together, they all move towards the center of the LANIAKEA supercluster. The attraction zone in the middle of this megacluster is the Great Attractor. Its estimated diameter is about 300 million light-years away from Earth. But later scientists who conducted an X-ray study as part of the Clusters in the Zone of Avoidance project discovered fewer galaxies in the Great Attractor region than previously thought. The Great Attractor was believed to have been more than 10 million billion times the mass of the Sun, but researchers found that its mass was only a tenth of the scientists' original estimate. The mass of the Great Attractor is not large enough to pull local clusters of galaxies. So what then draws them to the center of the LANIAKEA supercluster? First, scientists found 3 galaxy concentrations, NW1, NW2, NW3, and then 2 new clusters, CW1 and CW2. On average, each galaxy contains 100 billion stars, and discovering hundreds of galaxies sitting behind our galaxy means an incredible amount of mass scientists didn't know. Their gravity likely affects the speed of motion of the surrounding galaxies, but this doesn't put an end to the mystery. The Milky Way galaxy shouldn't be faster than it should be, and the scientists are still searching for hidden sources of gravity and figuring out the nature of the Milky Way's motion and that of another local group of galaxies. One idea is that dark matter may be involved here. Its invisible clusters are just as capable of attracting galaxies with gravity as massive structures of ordinary matter. Or galaxies may be accelerated by another theoretical force of the universe, the dark flow. According to one theory, the mysterious dark flow is connected to some other world from a hypothetical multiverse. It is assumed that our universe grew out of one bubble of the primary energy field. If so, so many more universes could have formed from other bubbles, and the dark flow could have resulted from the gravitational pull of some mass from a parallel universe. Scientists are still considering this theory as there is some ongoing debate. For now, we know space is a big mystery and answers often lead to more questions.